Oh, well. So, I did bloody chest. I did the tutorial. That was awesome looking game. I'm gonna go try to grab a car, I guess. Ooh, what's this? No, just the Rockies. It's funny. Don't like on this game, but yet I like on Minecraft. I think it's because Steam is supported by a better run console server, I guess, and it makes it run faster. Because my computer, I mean, it's pretty bad, but it lags on Minecraft, but it doesn't lag on Stars Wars 2. It doesn't lag on MX vs ATV Reflex. Doesn't lag. Oh wow. Oh nope, he's after me. Oh, it's an army up. Oh wow. Naked zombie. Oh no, I'm not going in there. It's not a good idea. Alright. Oh, you're like basically not gonna make it. If you corner yourself in one of these stupid houses, you can just guarantee certain death. You're not gonna make it. That's all I can. Oh, I think I lost these guys. Oh, then put up some more. But that can be confusing if I go from here. Oh wow, my battery. Oh, okay. You can leave me alone. You can leave me alone. I just want to leave the city and plug in my charger. Oh, I'm just going to hold my hand on W. Hopefully not get killed. So close. Freaking! Oh my gosh! Are you kidding me? Freaking batteries, man. You really helped me. Oh, whoa, there's something up there. Is that just a trick? No, not a trick. It's a bench. Oh my dear. Oh man, that's cool. That's actually really cool. I gotta go on to an online lobby next episode to see how that goes. Gotta team up with some people. Alright, I'm gonna go one more try. These guys are doing this for legs. Oh, military outpost. Military outpost. Military outpost. Oh, wow. Nope, put that away. Oh, it's we're gonna just train these guys. Call of Duty. I can take this smoker. Alright. I think I can take that saw though. Whoa, okay, when you go on top of the table, that's just the point of uncool, bro. Oh, come on, give me the saw. I'm gonna train until I get that saw. Oh my god, fuck off, you dumb dudes. Alright, I'm taking that saw. Ugh, you freaking dumb balls. Come on. Did I get it? No, put that away. I don't know how to use these guys. Is there a jet in here? Well, there's a jeep. I guess that's enough. Oh, there's 2 groups. I think that's enough. Thank you for being glitched. Thanks. Oh, they're all glitched. Looks like I'm in the clear. Oh, no, 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 I'm not in the clear. Not in the clear at all. Holy crap. Come on. Oh! Oh. Okay. Okay. And then the other one goes and blows up. Alright, this has been the first episode of Unturned. Blown up by a car, I guess. And then he goes and runs in. And he goes and runs in. Alright, I will see you guys later. Bye-bye!